Hi and welcome to Wahl, Australia. Today I want to show you what you're going to get when you purchase the MAX45 professional grade clipper. You'll see on the packaging it gives us a lot of good insights about the fan cool and being lightweight and that we have metal guide cones, but let's actually open up the kit and see what it all looks like. So first thing you'll notice, nice hard storage case. This is a really easy solution to keep your clipper and all your kit contents in one place. When you're going, anywhere from 1 month to 3 months or longer in between any clips or trims, you always want to know that things are where you left it. So the case will solve that for you. Now let's take a look. Here is our clipper. So it has a nice long cord, so it's really easy to work with off the outlet. Even if your pet is not always cooperating with, you're always going to have more than enough length to work around with. Then we have our number 1 through number 4 metal guide combs. The metal guide combs are going to make it a lot easier to push through any tangles or mats, so it's a nice upgrade over the plastic ones. Then we're going to have our oil and our brush. It's really important to use these before and after each clip because it'll help keep that blade running smoothly and therefore make it a better experience for you and for your pet. And then lastly, we're just gonna have some additional instructions on your clipper, so it's always helpful to give those a read. So here's what you get when you purchase the MAX45. If you click on the next video, we'll show you how all these different kit contents and accessories and the features are gonna help you and your pet with your next clip.